How to log in at DIQEM. Open your browser and go to DIQEM.com. Click on Login, top right corner. Enter your credentials. Fill in your username or email in the first field. Enter your password in the second field. Make sure that you enter the correct information in both fields. These details must match the information provided in your registration form. Click on Login. After successful login, you will be redirected to your dashboard profile where you can see your courses and updates. Click on your course, as I click Civil Judge and Judicial Magistrate Preparation course. Here you can learn your desired courses anytime, anywhere with DIQEM. Note: you must first register at once before you can log in. To log in, use the same details, email, username and password, that you provided during registration.